These are definitely energy sources that we're seeing here. Bottom left, the light. Look, the corridor that's leaving it, strands. Here, another view of it, there is a anomaly inside of the light, and always the blue, yellow, red light, the spectrum, the rainbow, right? Why are we seeing that? Ejecta. Do you all know what it is? It's what NASA says that is white and reflective on the surface because of its consistency, the way the top um, crater overflowed and the ejecta is what remained there today. I don't believe it. And okay, maybe there could be some if there were craters, but these aren't craters. And on top of these lit areas, these white spines, I call them, um, there are cities atop each of them and structures geometrically shaped on top of them. But they're very reflective and hard to capture with the telescope, with the camera, and of course, even less with the naked eye. Here at the back north side of the moon, Mare Frigoris, we can see around the craters what's supposedly snow in white areas. I have not seen any snow on the surface of the moon yet. I'm not saying there isn't any. I just have not seen any. Top left, you can see that either tunnel or pipe, very geometrically shaped, but the lights around it's hard to see. Here's another way of viewing it once again to see the contours, um, how everything is connected together. This massive wall at the bottom. This is all constructed. It's areas of construction that people think um, that are craters because we were told, of course, they are craters. Plato crater. What I found inside of it and around it, many geometrical shapes also. It's absolutely astonishing to be able to see it this way. And many different photos, of course, I get the same image each and every time on different dates. So these are not pixels. To the right, you could see the contouring lines, and in the darkness, that very symmetrically spherical shape, most definitely a tunnel. Here, dark structures again in Plato crater. Now look at the top right here. There's a spherical object um, on the top inside of that entrance there. Many of these can be seen on the surface of the moon. It's without a doubt the color. We can see color on the surface. Post-processed photo. Look totally to the right. You can see hanger-like structures. Showed this many times on the videos. Beautiful green surface. It's there. Now, guys, there are black triangles all over the moon. I'm up to about 50 or 60 in the past two videos that I'm going back to my old videos. Dead center in this big crater at the bottom now, going towards the bottom. Look in the middle. There's a white structure with a triangular black shadow at the back. We've got to not rule out that these aren't shadows. Look quickly to the right of that. There's another little crater, okay, to the right of this big crater. And look to the left of that little crater. There's another triangle pointing to the right. Maybe another one parked in front there. Obviously, the crafts will park in the shadows. This one could be pointing towards the right. You know, I saw black crafts with the tail end like this, eaten away with little teeth marks at the back. Secure Team 10, Tyler, he posted it in a video a couple weeks ago, and many other videos, but in general, the one a couple of weeks ago, just a basic triangle like this. There are many. That doesn't mean that this is a ship. I don't rule anything out. And the tower over Archimedes crater, this white light that scientists are saying is ejecta, which is basically after the asteroid hit, these craters were formed and the overflowing lava um, created this symmetrical flat area that is very bright and shiny as a surface and is why we are seeing reflected light. No, I disagree, would be the proper way to say, I think. But changing the subject a little bit, we're going to unknown planets. Here are a few unknown planet surfaces that I really got good feedback with when I made the videos, and a couple more shots that I hadn't posted yet of these surfaces. So thank you very much for watching this video and the support that you're all giving me and the interest to the channel, guys. Thanks a lot. It's a pleasure to interact with all of you. Any questions, please do not be shy to ask me anything at all about these videos or about anything you're curious about. Thanks a lot.